Nature does not make leaps. God creates, Linnaeus arranges. He who does not know nature, does not appreciate its beauties. Everything is related to everything else, but near things are more related than distant things. In the realm of nature, everything has been brought into existence for some purpose. To study nature is nothing but to investigate the divine. If you do not know the names of things, the knowledge of them is lost too. To see the world in a grain of sand, and to see heaven in a wildflower, hold infinity in the palm of your hands, and eternity in an hour. In art and nature, as well as in science, a rational arrangement serves to clarify and facilitate the acquisition of knowledge. The power of nature is greater than the power of the physician. Botany is the school for patience, and an exercise in the sublime. Nature is a splendid textbook for those who study it diligently. The world is divided into those who love flowers and those who do not. Life is short, and the art long, opportunity fleeting, judgment difficult. If you do not know the properties of the objects with which you have to do, you cannot accomplish your work. In nature, everything moves in circles. The flower's leaves, such as those of the lily, the petals of roses, and the balsamic resins, are better and more effective in alleviating suffering than any artificial medicines. The essence of a true doctor is the ability to distinguish between diseases. The world is full of wonders, and we should be amazed by everything we see. Nature is to be found in her entirety nowhere but in her smallest creatures. Carl Linnaeus was a Swedish botanist, zoologist, and physician, widely recognized as the father of modern taxonomy. He developed a systematic classification system, known as binomial nomenclature, to organize and name plants and animals. Linnaeus's work laid the foundation for our current understanding of biological classification. He also contributed to the fields of botany and medicine, making significant advancements in the study of plant reproduction and the treatment of diseases. Linnaeus's immense contributions revolutionized the scientific community and continue to shape our understanding of the natural world today. Thanks for watching.